All living things in a community are interdependent. No living being can exist totally on its own. It is directly or indirectly dependent on other living beings. Every living being in the community is dependent on other living or non-living things in some way or the other. We get food, clothes, and many other things from plants and animals. We get vegetables such as brinjal, tomatoes, onions, carrots etc. from plants. We also get fruits like oranges, apples, bananas and grapes from plants. These fruits and vegetables provide us with nourishment. Plants also give us timber for making furniture, and firewood which is used as a fuel. We get pulses, cereals, perfumes, rubber, lac, gum, and medicines from plants. Plants give out oxygen which we need to live. They also purify the air by taking in carbon dioxide while making their food. Animals are also very important for us. Products like milk, eggs, fish and leather are got from animals. It is very clear that human life is not possible without plants and animals. Plants are called food producers. Green plants make their own food. Plants prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide, air, sunlight and water. The process of making food by the plants is known as photosynthesis. Plants need chlorophyll to make their food. Chlorophyll is the green pigment found in the leaves of a plant. Human beings and animals are consumers because they cannot make their own food. They have to rely on plants for their food. Animals and humans depend on plants and other animals for their food. Some animals eat only plants or parts of plants. They are called herbivores. Herbivores are primary consumers. The giraffe, zebra, buffalo, cow and deer are some herbivores.